Hello, Talentless Maker here for video 3 and hopefully the last one of my DeLorean build. So as you can see, last time we left it I'd done quite a lot of the detailing on the paint job in the engine bay, and on the inside's completed and she's looking good. I've added these exhaust thingies to the side. Don't know what they're called, probably some scientific term. I'm sure the doc can tell us about them. And then I'm going to add in the cabling. So these cables are going to go on the side here, run through there and join up with these bits here. Just going to do all that. I'm also going to stick the wheels on the side, and the fun bit is we're going to start the lighting. So the lighting scheme in each wheel is going to be a blue light. It's going to be 2 lights aiming back towards the brakes, 1 aiming to fusion, and 1 pointing down to the flux capacitor. Then in the front, 2 for the headlights and 1 for the sound light bar thingy at the front. So there we go. That's hopefully by the end of today, maybe tomorrow, this will be completed. Cool, let's get to it. So there we have it. At long last, my DeLorean from Back to the Future with working lights. Yeah. This has taken a lot longer than it should have. There's been many difficulties printing in new material, having to learn all its little foibles and such what. Doing the interior, doing detailed work, which isn't my forte, but I've done alright. It's done okay. I need to work on that. I need to work on detail work, but that's for another day. Also had some of the ugliest soldering I've ever done in my life, and had to fight the world's worst hot glue gun even. But all in all, she works. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and maybe, if you're feeling generous, buy me a coffee. Ko-fi? Whatever. Links below and in the bio. So, we're going to move on to the money shot now and show you what she looks like all lit up. See you next time.
you.